The dragon mascot is a vibrant, striking, and truly magical character who instantly becomes the star of any celebration. This character is impossible to miss. A rich palette of pink, red, orange, and purple hues makes the costume very bright, lively, and visually striking. The large expressive head with a kind smile, big eyes, and a decorative crown creates the image of a fairy tale dragon with personality. The wings add dynamism, and the costume's voluminous shape makes the character stand out even in a large venue. You can create all sorts of scenarios with it: a magical adventure, a treasure hunt, a fairy tale mission, a birthday party with fantasy characters, or a themed show. The costume is designed so that the character looks as expressive as possible while remaining comfortable to wear. Ideal for children's birthday parties, themed celebrations and show programs, matinees and performances, photo zones and photo sessions, shopping malls and promotional events, fairy tale and fantasy programs. The dragon mascot is a character that children remember instantly. He is bright, cheerful, kind, and very photogenic. You'll want to hug him, dance with him, play with him, and take pictures with him. He doesn't just show up at a party, he creates the event around which the entire atmosphere of the program revolves.